Hey, this is Sergeant Sean Chastain again, back with a little tip for the radios. So first thing I want to go over, there's two components. You have the base and the actual radio. And whenever you want to charge this, you want to make sure that these two gold tabs are lined up onto these silver tabs. And there's two slots on the side. Once you get it in there, you're docking. You should either have a green light or a red light to make sure that you know that it's charging. So the second thing for the radios, there's been a little bit of confusion about how they work. So there's two things. To turn the actual radio on, there's an orange-red tab on the top. All you would have to do is hold it to press it down.
1.
And this is what you'll get. It'll say channel 1, and that's the channel that you'll stay on. Once you do that, you can put it back in the charging station and just leave it there. Okay, guys, the next thing is, recently we have changed the protocol to the radios being staying on all the time just so you can get information faster. In the case of an event, emergency, whatever the case may be, you will be alerted through this. And you will get information from myself, the chief, or an officer on this saying what the type of event is. Whatever the event is that is being relayed on this, just follow the CEMP for your description as a building coordinator. Hey guys, I hope this cleared up a little bit about the radios. If there's any questions, feel free to call me at the office or email me. Thanks.